In this video, we get off the dock in Palmas and head over to Puerto Del Rey, which will be our last stop in Puerto Rico, and we say goodbye to Amanda. This season of Sailing Doodles features Bobby and Amanda as we cruise around in the Caribbean. Thank you so much to our patrons for making this channel possible. In the last video, we got our first drone shots of the dark side underway and headed over to Palmas del Mar and got a little beach time.
Yes, I'm ready to go.
All right, so we got the engines warmed up. We're disconnected from shore power, got the water disconnected. It's a little breezy out there, so it's probably gonna be a little rough. So we're gonna get off the dock though.
It's all right, I'm half awake. So.
Yeah, half awake. Those aft controls really give you a much better awareness on how close you are into the dock, and it makes me feel a lot more comfortable. All right, off the dock, and we're going. Now I run up here to the main helm, and we're underway. Okay, Amanda, you can pull the fenders up now. Occasionally, there's some pretty big waves out here. Yep. Hopefully it's just because coming into this little cut here. Once we get out of there, it'll be a little better. And I don't know, we'll see. Hopefully it's not like this the whole way, but it's gonna be blowing like this for the next week, so it's not gonna get any better. Oh, jeez. I mean, that's, yeah, it's like riding a bull. Somebody's feeling a little seasick, and it is pretty rough out here. But only an hour and a half to go or something. But you know, she was up here. It's a little hot up here because I can't open the windows because there's too much spray coming up, so it's hot. It's like a greenhouse. She's sitting up here just staring at her phone. It's like the worst thing you can do if you're seasick, is look at your phone like that. Now you need to look at the horizon. It was less than 20 miles on the east side of Puerto Rico up to Fajardo and Puerto Del Rey. Now that we turned the corner a little bit, we're no longer kind of going into the waves, kind of going with them a little bit so I can open up this hatch and get some more air up here. It's a lot cooler up here now. Only got about 3.8 miles to go, and you know, so 20 minutes or something. Puerto Del Rey, motor vessel, the dark side. We're about a mile out. I had the reservation either under the dark side or Maria Cristina, I can't remember. We're in the process of changing the name on the boat, but so we're about 5 minutes out. And I think we have our slip assignment. It's like 14. Wait, you go ahead.
10 miles.
Roger. Puerto Del Rey is the largest marina in the Caribbean with almost 1,000 wet slips, 600 dry stacks, and 37 acres for hurricane tie downs. It's some kind of devotion that brings me down. So when you pull into port, always got to wipe everything down. So now I have my Amanda helping. Putting her to work. Spray from the seawater will get on the boat, and then the water will evaporate and leave behind the salt crystals. That's really bad for all the metals and everything in your boat, so it's important to get all the salt off. We made it to Puerto Del Rey, no problem at all, and got checked in and everything, and got on the dock. I keep so it's like, I mean to like film like us actually backing in and like me working the controls or anything. It's the last thing on my mind to film when I'm like backing this thing into a concrete dock. So anyway, but here waiting for us is Amanda's stuff. So it's her company, it's Eternal Fleur, and what is this stuff?
So we specialize in flowers that last 365 days without any water or sunlight. And the secret ingredient is glycerin.
Yeah.
So glycerin is something that's used in a bar of candy or soap, so it's environmentally friendly. And the glycerin essentially creates a wax-like solution that's placed onto the flowers, and it gives it their lifespan. So all of these roses, we have actually, well, these are peonies. So besides just roses, we carry peonies, we carry hydrangeas, gypsophilia, and all of our flowers, like I said, will last you 365 days without any water or sunlight. We offer worldwide shipping. And if you use code Sailing Doodles at checkout, you'll get 25% off. And also just wanted to show you really quick some of my favorite styles. So this is the Pave Bouquet. It comes in a ceramic vase. So we have a bunch of different styles that come in ceramic vases. We also have here the mini blooms. So one of them is the pink mini bloom, but it also comes in about 19 different colorways. And this is our newest style, which is the Evil Eye. It hasn't launched just yet. It will be available next week. And then the peonies, and in the peonies we have red, we have pink, we have peach, so definitely check them on the site. And we recently just partnered with Pura, so they're a smart home fragrance diffuser company, and we created the red rose and the mixed floral fragrances. So definitely check them out, or check us out please. It's all on our website, www.eternalfleur.com. Thanks guys!
Alright, so we're all checked in, ready to go. I've been working on the boat, actually working on adding solar. I got a quote for that, so we'll see what happens. Anyway, it's down the line. But it's happy hour time.
It is happy hour time.
All right.
Let's go.
One of my favorite little restaurants, Marina restaurants, right there, Cueva del Mar. Let's go. Puerto Del Rey is actually the largest marina in the Caribbean with over 1,000 slips.
Hence all the boats.
Yeah, they're always busy. I mean, I actually put my name on a waiting list to potentially keep my boat here during hurricane season. They do all hurricane tie downs too, so we'll see how it goes. All right, cheers.
Cheers.
Your last night, I guess, for a while.
I'll be back soon. It passes by fast.
I'm glad this place is busy, because last time I was here it was totally dead, but it was COVID too, so glad it's doing all right. Alrighty, heading to the aeropuerto.
Yes.
You gotta go back to the cold.
I'm going to the freezing cold. Hopefully there's no snow waiting for me.
Yeah, but we'll see in a few weeks. I'm gonna do some work on the boat. She's gotta do some work. And
Yep, I'll be back in just a few weeks.
yeah.
So stay tuned and the boat will be better than ever.
Hopefully. All right, let's go to the airport. All right, safe flight. Coming right now. All right, safe flight, and I'll see you later.
Keep me posted on when everything gets done.
I'll do it.
Bye!
All right, guys, and don't forget about the Sailing Doodles podcast. Over 20,000 subscribers on YouTube, and it's on all the audio formats, however you want. And you never know when a special guest might stop by for an appearance.
Hi, guys, I'm back.
Yep, happy to have her back. So we're about to record a podcast with Taylor now, and should be a link at the end of this video to it.